Before the weekend, the financial markets are generally calm. Yesterday, there were no stirring events that could radically change market sentiment. No wonder the US dollar index managed to reach a new peak, almost breaking the 93 level, and the Japanese yen corrected downwards, allowing the US dollar to rise higher. The Australian dollar slightly increased, however, it's likely to continue its downward movement, but on next week. The US dollar index almost approached a high of 92.90, which was in line with the forecasts. On Friday morning, after a small downward correction, it dipped to the level of 92.75. However, this correction is most likely to be short-lived. After all, no fundamental factors may currently jeopardize the rally of the greenback. Besides, the US economy is showing the highest rate of economic recovery. In addition, macroeconomic statistics reflect the success of mass vaccination. All the statements of Fed Chairman Jerome Powell and published economic reports are unlikely to somehow affect the trajectory of the US dollar index. Perhaps the situation will change later today after the release of data from the US Fed. Until that time, the US dollar will be fluctuating in the range from 92.50 to 92.90. After a 10-day consolidation, the dollar-yen finally went up. Well, now the likelihood of the dollar-yen pair's growth looks higher. If it consolidates above the level of 109.30, it may hit the target level of 110.37. However, before that, a small pullback may occur as one of the technical indicators remains in the overbought zone within the short-term trend. On other charts, the pair also climbed up after the correction on March 23-24. The quote seems to be trying to rise to the 110.37 level. Yesterday, the AUD USD pair did touch the target level of 0.7565, the low locked on February 2nd. With the help of the Marlin oscillator pointed upwards, the pair entered the correctional phase. The correction is likely to push the pair to the level of 0.7638, the peak of December 17. In the current situation, the pair may reverse from the correction level of 0.7638 to 0.7500. And that's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.